Hello everyone, I'm Vishesh Vaibhav, GDSC lead at MIT University Gurugram. Now, as promised, I'm here to provide you with a free domain for 1 year and Google Cloud credits. Now, there's something that you need to do before claiming all of this, right? Now, you will be getting these things, but you need to do a few steps before getting that. So, let's start from the start. Now, the domain and the Google Cloud credits are only available for people who are registered in the solution challenge. Now, I've already sent out the message for solutions challenge. I've already released a video which tells everything you need to know about the solutions challenge. So if you haven't yet registered for the solutions challenge, then I really recommend that you register for it first. Now, if you don't have a solution to build and if you feel like you don't need to build anything, I still suggest you that you go on and register for the solutions challenge because registering just takes like 2 minutes of your time, and once you do that, you would be eligible for claiming these domains and the Google Cloud credits. So, how do we do that? Well, the registration process is pretty simple. I'll try to brief it out. So, once you register, you'll get to another. We'll fill out 3 Google forms in total to claim all of this, right? But if you've already registered for the solutions challenge, you're good to go. So, I'm telling this to all of the people who are registering for the solutions challenge or not registering for it to go for the free domain and the Google Cloud credits, but I strongly suggest the people to understand what is the solutions challenge and participate and create a solution of your own, because all of this will really help you build something of your own. Now you're getting some domain, you're getting some credits, use that, build a solution of your own, and submit it for the solutions challenge. So the last date to register for the solutions challenge is 20th of January, that is tomorrow, or if you're watching it on the day of 20th January, it is today, right? So how do we do it? Well, the first thing that we need to do is click register now. The link will be in the description below. Now you just need to it's restoring my progress, but you just need to fill this up: your email, your full name and first name and last name, how are you associated, so you'll click member, MIT University Gurugram, and all of this. So this is already discussed in the previous video. If you just want to go with that, so just go ahead and fill this up. Takes 2 minutes. Now when you have filled this up, what you'll do is you'll get an email and everything. That you don't have to worry about that, but if you're really interested, I suggest you read that. Now you'll go to a form link for the domain registry. You'll go to this form. Now here's the thing, here is how you will get, no, this is the cloud request, this is the domain. So this is where you will come to. The link is already provided in the description. Now once you're here, this is what you'll have to do. You read all of this. There are limited vouchers, so it's first come first serve, so make sure you like go for it as soon as possible. Now this is available, the domains that you'll be getting will be a .app, .page or a .dev standard names, so make sure you have that in mind. You are getting domains that is a .app, .page and .dev domains, and it will be of 12 months, so you are free to read it out and understand what is happening, and then you would understand the processes of it. So now when that is done, let's come to the next part. So how do we do it? How do we actually understand what is happening? So what do? We enter our email. So I'm abc@gmail.com. Yes, I suggest you to click yes, because this is how the people would know that you are building it for the solutions challenge. Then what are you planning? Say you are trying to build a project, so that's what I'm going to write here: build a project for solution challenge, right? So once that is done, now only one of this is necessary. So the team name, for me it was Cranzoid, so that's what I'll write. And which Google developer are you a part of? Now after registering, so when you were registering in the solutions challenge, you registered as India MIT Gurugram. That's what you'll do here. That's what you'll do here. So once you come to India, choose MIT Gurugram, Click I acknowledge, I agree, and submit. Now, once that is done, you'll get an email, and that email would look something like this. All right, so it would be a copy of your the Google form that you filled out. Right now, this email would contain a attachment. Now, this attachment would give you the things that you need to get your domain. Now, as I said, you would getting a domain of .app, .dev, and .page. So now once you come here, these are the things that how you can redeem. So request form. Now request form, we just filled it out. This is the same form that we were filling out just to check it out. Yes, it is. Now once we'll have to wait 1 week to receive your unique token. Now that from the date of filling it out. Now I filled it out back on 14th of January, so it's 6 days ago. I'm still have to wait one more day. So I'll receive my unique token via email. Now I need to use my token and go to this page. So this is where I'll be domain for developers. I have these domains, but I for to be safe that I'm not charged anything, I'll go for these only, which is mentioned right here: .app, .page, and .dev. So though it says .nexus and everything, but I'll go for the .app, .page, and .dev. So right, once I am here, what I'll do is I'll click Encirca, and when I'm here, I'll search for the domain and everything, go through the process. For example, I'll give you an example: Pablo Escobar .dev. I'll click search. It must be taken. No, it's not taken. All right, so I'll click checkout, and now this is $15. But here's the fun part: I don't have to pay this because I'll have a coupon code. Now this coupon code will be given to you in your email address. So now when you get this and when you apply, this would come to 0. And when you fill it out, do all the things that are needed, you will get your you will have to add a credit card or PayPal. That's it. But credit card doesn't mean that you can't add a debit card. You can add a debit card, but nothing would be debited from it. Just make sure that is there in your mind. And you can also add a PayPal if you feel so. You can always add a PayPal account, and that can be done. This is necessary because in anywhere where you purchase a domain, they ask for your credit card or your PayPal. So this is just to be safe, right? So once you fill it out, this is free for 1 year, and after 1 year you'll have to pay for it. But in India, I don't think they usually auto debit, so you're safe there. You can just uncheck the automatic renewal part, and it would not be renewed automatically. And obviously in India they have regulations, so it won't be done anyways. Right, when that is done, you will be good to go. And I will, once I receive my token code, I'll be like, this is what I'm talking about, the allocation token for this. So after I put this out, I would be able to get this domain for free. And this is how all of us at GDSC AUH would be getting a domain for free, right? And once that is done, you would be getting your domain. So let's just come back to the cloud part. How do we get a cloud credits? Now once you first sign up for the Google Cloud account, you get $300 free of cost. But that is mostly used. So how to get $10 more? So here's the thing: the Google Cloud credits that you'll be receiving would be of $10 only, but $10 are very much if you look at it that way. So you'll have $310 in total if you haven't used Google Cloud at all. But if you have used it before, you know that how much $1 can also cost you in computing, right? So definitely $10 is very much. So if you're already working on a project or you're building a project for solutions challenge, you can use it out, right? So how do we do that? So this is the Google form that you will be using, and this is also available in the description box. So you enter your email, you enter your first name and last name, and here you need 2 names. So if you have already built a team, I suggest you go ahead and enter your first name and last name, and then you enter your team members' first name and last name if you are already building a team. But if you don't have a team, go ahead and enter your first name and last name, and then enter another imaginary first name and last name. But here's the thing, make sure, which is important to notice, make sure that if you and your team member are participating in the solutions challenge and you both request for the Google Cloud credits, the Google Cloud credits will be nullified. So both of you won't be getting the same thing. So that's something to keep in mind, and make sure you do it. One of you, if you're using it for a team project like solutions challenge, only one of you goes ahead and fills up this form. So once that is done, only one of this was two of these were like required. Now, how you planning to use this credit? You can definitely say like hosting a website. You can like respond in 2-3 sentences, or you can say if you what will be your use case. So for me, I am using it to use Vertex AI Workbench and perform AI tasks. So this is for me. Right, so which GDSC are you a part of? Well, I'm a part of, I'll click I'll come to India Amity University, Gurugram. Alright. So I click I agree, and after I do that, I'll be receiving a form like this, the copy of my Google form submission. Now when I'll come here, I'll see this, I'll see these attachments. Now you can go ahead and read all of this, but here's what we are interested in. We're interested in this. So the Google Cloud credits would be given to you like this. You can read all of this, you can read the slides. I am pretty sure that you know what is happening here, because you all are good in understanding English. So I guess you would be understanding this a bit better. But once you do that, you would have to you would receive the Google Cloud credits 1 week after you fill the form. So here's what you need to keep in mind, right? So yeah, when that is done, you can add your billing account and everything, and you're good to go. So this is what you need to get started to claim your free domain and Google Cloud credits. Now, I strongly suggest that you all register for the Solutions Challenge, because this is really necessary for attaining these both things, like the Google Cloud credit and the Google domain for free. So I really hope you go ahead and register and build something amazing of your own. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.